Hey everybody, welcome back to another video on our channel Take It Simple. Today we're gonna look at how you can make your own sound on TikTok. If this topic interests you, watch this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are new, and also turn on the notifications to never miss an upcoming upload. So let's get started. Firstly, open up your TikTok app. Now you will need to upload the sound or the video that you want to use. Go to the upload section, then choose the file. Now you will need to post this. Hit post. Now, after the video has been uploaded, open it. After you open the video, click on the sound icon. Now here, you can also add this sound to your favorites, or you can use this sound by clicking the use this sound button. By doing so, you will be able to use this sound in any of your videos. If you liked this video and found the video to be helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We will be back with similar videos like this. Thank you for watching.